Hello everyone, welcome to Chai Skills. Today I'm going to show you how to make a feather lamp out of an ordinary lampshade. This is a lamp I have. This is so boring, so I thought of a makeover. I removed the lampshade from the lamp. Now I'm going to remove the cover of the lampshade so that I can work on. Things needed for this craft work are glue gun, feathers. We can get this online. These feathers are around 5 to 6 centimeters long. Heat the glue gun. Now slowly start placing each feather on the glue. Make sure you stick the entire feather using the glue, or else the feather will not be on place. Repeat this task. Be patient. Slowly stick each feather one after the other. Don't leave gaps in between. It won't look nice. So fill the gaps as much as possible. Also, while working, be cautious. Glue gun is hot. Slowly place a feather and stick with the glue gun. Feathers are very delicate, so you have to be really patient or else you will mess up. After placing the glue, when you stick the feather, make sure you don't touch the glue as it is hot. You have to work really fast and careful, because when you place the glue, it will dry up easily. So you have to be fast enough to place a feather on the glue, also not to break the feather. After placing some set of feathers, I am overlapping it horizontally with another feather so that its tip is not visible, just to make it look good. Now filling up the bottom part. In this clipping you can see how I managed to stick the feathers onto the lampshade. After sticking 5 to 6 feathers vertically, I'll be taking one feather and I'll be sticking it horizontally on the tip so that it's not visible. That's how it looks after sticking some feathers. Still lots of spaces are visible, so I need to work on it. That's how it looks after I completed almost 50 to 60%. I still have to work on it. I have to fill on these gaps too. I stick the lampshades with one round of feathers. I feel one round of feathers is not that impressive. I can see lots of space. So I'm filling it with another round of feathers just to make it look dense. Again, remember, glue gun is hot, so when you do the second round, make sure you don't touch the glue. Slowly keep filling the gaps. Hey, this is the final look of my lampshade. Let me show you in close-up. Now it looks dense. When I placed the second round of feathers, I just randomly kept it here and there to give an asymmetric look. Hope you all like my feather lampshade. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.